Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the Fibonacci color on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 chart, and now let's add the Fibonacci. Click on it and choose the place you want. So let's say, for example, let's say this one, just for the sake of this video. And as you can see here, the Fibonacci color is yellow. So to change it, either click here or here. So click on it and right click, choose property of each one Fibo. Click on it. And as you can see here, this red color is for this one. If you want to change it, you can change it. Just choose the color you want. So let's say green and click on OK. As you can see, the color has been changed. So let's say I want to change this yellow. So click on the Fibo again, right click, properties, and go to levels. Now, as you can see here, this is the color yellow. You can change it to any color you want. So let's say, for example, red. Okay. Unfortunately, you can't change these colors one by one, just like in trading view. So after that, just click on OK. And as you can see, the color of the Fibonacci has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.